Ben has been laying down on this ottoman for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, which is about the equivalent of, I don't know, 5 hours for a baby. Do you see this joy, this pure joy? This is not brought on by any funny face Mommy is making. Mommy doesn't even need to talk to him. I don't think he even knows I exist. This pure joy is brought to you by the ceiling fan. Ben's one true love is the ceiling fan. And I just had to get this because it's so cute. His legs, his little fat, adorable legs, are going crazy. See those little fat rolls? I mean, this kid, he's doing some exercise. And he's just laughing. Laughing hysterically, at times, at a ceiling fan. But I wanted to tape this because I thought there's no way that he'll ever believe he was this little. I mean, his breathing gets all crazy. There goes the feet again. Look at those fat rolls. You just want to eat those legs. Okay. The ceiling fan party is coming to a close. Bye for now.